I'm up in a pole, been I watch him head back like a Netflix through the telescope. Toppy feel is a joke. Tie him up on the blood clot tree like a goat, and push knife in a throat, and tell the devil take note. Me have me gun in my hand. Show me which bum more I go try when I'm bad man.
Now, this is a follow-up on the video I did about Trinidad artists only sing about man. And a couple people seems like they're disgruntled about it and say there's lots of Trinidad artists that sing about girls and pum pum and fuck gal. Now, they make comment on the not the website, I'm sorry, on the channel. But guess what? They haven't sent me a link. So if anybody out there who know of any Trinidad artists who sing no woman and fat pum pum, but now talk about a little one idiot song, want to see where the artists them are sing about that. Cause I think one artist me did see, I couldn't even find about a video there. So, because what I'm saying is, the data that's out there in the internet and in the stratosphere wherever the edit is in the world, all I'm seeing is man lyrics, them a sing about fi kill the next man where them know. You understand? Or the next gal. And that's all they're doing. Now, I'm gonna do another video and I want you guys listen to this. I'm gonna tell you the root cause of why all this war started in Trinidad with the reggae bad music, and I said it before, but somebody confirmed it, so I'm gonna do the video. But show me some videos of Trinidad artists singing about women and not gun and drugs and long cocky man. Cause all me see them sing about is gun, drugs, and long cocky man. And in the other video, sorry, that I did, a subscriber came and made a comment that he lived in Trinidad and majority of the man them a batty man. Even enough of the gangster them. Now, I had forgot to ask this question. Is homosexuality legal in Trinidad? Because it's not legal in Jamaica. So I just wanted to know if homosexuality is legal there. I'm not too sure. But I think that's what started this thing. But if anybody can send me some videos, I'll watch them. You know my email, it's right there in the About Us, right there in the description. And it's in the description of every video. It says she-mail. So that's for telling us I'm a love woman. So, yeah, because what I am seeing is killing, drugs, gun, and that's the man them are sing about, and that's what they're doing. Maxine made a point in the discussion, Maximum Max. Tough daughter that, you know. But I bet you say Maxine sexy. I may never see her yet. Even though she sound tough, you know. Cause that's that lady can be a damn judge. That lady should be Maxine. You should be in Jamaica running the whole judicial system. For real. Cause you're logical and you're factual and you're fair. And you're nonsensical. So you fit all that description, but Maximum was saying that Jamaica sing about women and, you know, we're disrespectful to women. I'm just gonna be honest. And Trini sing about badness and appear badness. And in some sense, she's right. And, you know, I don't want to sound crazy, but I would rather be dealing with the women them than dealing with a bagger man. You understand? And, you know, over the years, the system has found a balance. Cause women, you know, has came up in the music business and the women them is demanding respect. You understand? So Jamaica have the most female reggae artists. I don't know one female reggae artist in Trinidad. So Jamaican women like Maxine, Spice, you know, they have came a long way and demand their respect. So a balance has been reached or is getting there. Because man them can't disrespect women like that anymore. And women just no. Especially in Jamaica now. Women has reached a far long way. Yeah. Compared to when my mother was young. You know, if me ever tell her my mother age, but me now will tell mommy age. Anyways, yeah, so what I'm saying is no women artists doing reggae in Trinidad that I know, and I have a hard time finding any guys singing about women, DJing about women, and you understand it, you know, there's none. And what's kind of contrary about this whole vibration, it's that Trinidad have some of the most beautiful women on the planet. Because Trinidad, remember me tell you, the girls them sexy. I did something out there. So yeah. So I just can't fathom it. So I'm about to round this video up. And like me say, me not see no woman, no man I see no woman like that. And whoever have approved, please, when you make a comment, send me some links so I can check it out for myself and then I'll talk about it. But from the data when me see I come out of Trinidad, a straight crime and violence in the reggae, TRINIBAD reggae genre. And me don't know about the Batman thing. You understand? Because I don't even know if homosexuality is legal or illegal in Trinidad. And that I would like to know also. If homosexuality is legal or illegal in Trinidad. I know it's legal in Jamaica, but it is starting to find its way into mainstream society. You know, so you have enough girl at Jamaica, them a man royal. So, you know, to each his own. But I would like to know proof of that too. So the person who made the post, me and him is gonna definitely link up and we are gonna explore what's going on. If the man them are Trinidad gay, enough of them in the music business, or and why them now sing about woman? You understand? And why there's no women singing in reggae? Cause the man them fight them out. So until that change, we have to come up with our own analysis. And like me say, I love Trinidad. I don't want nobody thinks I love Trinidad. And you have a youth say, oh, why am I doing videos on Trinidad? And you know why? Because he's a nationalist. And at the Caribbean I come from, the whole Caribbean is my country. You understand? Country first. So not because I say Jamaica first, me I say Trinidad first too. And me I say St. Lucia first. Because the Caribbean I come from. You understand? Me can't sit and entertain fuckery. Me have to call it out whether you like it or not. And that's how me feel. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Like me say, that video, me know in it, me a rant or rave. But what trigger me, and like me tell you now, me have high anxiety. I do. My mind is very flappable. You understand? And when the man they make certain comment, me look at every comment, and some comment me take personal, me not care. Me wear my feelings from my shoulder, yo. So the way how me feel, me I go express myself. And that's how I am. So when a man come and make a comment, I want to back it up. I'm out.